Hello, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a Facebook page. So I am on my Facebook profile. Click on this icon. Here you can find different pages that you already manage. Click on create new page on your left hand side panel. If you are creating a Facebook page for the very first time and you are unable to find these icons, don't worry. Just click on the link given in the description box and that will take you to this web page. Now first thing first, name your page. After naming your page, you can select a category. For category, type a word or two that describes your business. You can choose up to 3 of the suggestions. Next, fill in the description field. This is a short description that appears in search results. After writing the description, click on Create Page. The page has been created. You can now add images. Click on Add Profile Picture. Use a logo or image that helps people to identify this page. Now click on Add Cover Photo that represents what the page is about. Photos should be less than 4 MB. You can even drag it to reposition. After this, click on Save. As the cover photo was greater than 4 MB, we can even upload the photo from here. Click on Edit and choose a photo for your cover page. Save changes. So this is your page. Click on Complete Your Page to complete the missing information. Type a unique username. Enter phone number, email address, website and location. The changes will be saved automatically. To create a post, click on Create Post. To create a post, you can even add text, you can change the background color, and you can even insert emojis. Add pictures or videos. Click on 3 dots and you will get more options. Click on Post. So here is your first post. If you want to edit any information, just scroll down and click the edit pen icon to edit your about info. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.